Hello everybody and welcome to another video in the series on Brahmanology and also science and creation. I'm your host Matthew Jihadi, the molecular Brahmanologist. In this video we're going to examine the question, are Neanderthals human? It's a very interesting question that many people have been thinking about for a very long time. Now, many people have the impression that Neanderthals belong to a primitive subspecies or like a side branch of humans that eventually went extinct in the struggle to survive against what became modern humans. Now, this cannot be further from the truth. A lot of new evidence shows that Neanderthals are just as fully human as we are. So the first Neanderthal fossils were discovered in 1829, but it was not recognized to have deviated a little bit from modern humans until the latter half of the 19th century. Neanderthals got their name from a geographical location in Germany called Neanderthal, or the Dale of the New Man. That is a valley where they found these fossils, Valley of Neuander, or of the New Man, which is translated roughly into English. In 2015, Dimitra Papagianni, an archaeologist from Cambridge, who wrote her PhD thesis on Neanderthal fossils, wrote a book titled The Neanderthals Rediscovered: How a Scientific Revolution is Rewriting Their Story. It's a very interesting book. This book brings many detailed proofs to the surface showing that Neanderthals were fully human, just like us. Lots and lots of individual bits of evidence show this. For example, Neanderthals had a larger skull capacity than modern humans. Why would Neanderthals be more primitive if they had a larger skull than we did? Their thicker bones and skulls may have been due to illnesses such as scurvy or gout, but their features do not necessarily mean that they were more primitive than us. Amazingly, Neanderthals made art, and they showed signs of religion. They buried their dead. They made tools such as axes, knives, or other hunting tools. But what really shows Neanderthal intelligence is that they even made tools that made other tools. They used plants for medicinal purposes, such as they made like painkillers like aspirin. They also made toothpicks. They went diving for shellfish. They had hunting and also trading grounds. So Neanderthals did many things that modern humans also did, which highly suggests that they were just as human as we are. Furthermore, the Neanderthal genome sequence is highly similar to the one from modern humans. Also, anyone can order the 23andMe DNA test to see what kind of ancestry they have. One of the figures or one of the results that they show describes how many Neanderthal DNA base pair variants occur in their genome. They'll represent whether they have a portion of their DNA coming from Neanderthals. And actually, most people have around 2 to 3% of their DNA coming from Neanderthals. In the National Center for Biotechnology Information Database, or that is NCBI, the largest and most well-known bioinformatics database in the world, Neanderthals are described as Homo sapiens neanderthalensis. That means that they are Homo sapiens, just like us. They're human. But so, why are Neanderthals human? Why shouldn't we shouldn't classify them as primitive just because they look differently? This would be the arrogance of modernity, that we're measuring humans in the past to us humans in the present. You simply can't do that. We should view our species varying throughout time. Humans in the Garden of Eden after the flood, in all parts of the world, all look differently, but we're all humans, Neanderthals included.